I'm selling there. I'm selling right there. My first TP is literally just at the open. My stops is at this highs, exactly right there. We've inversed that gap. And then my second TP is just at my level right there. If we hit TP1, which is right here, then my stops will break even. Okay, so that's my first TP and my stops is to break even, basically. And then I'll target those lows right there. Week rate and NS. Okay, let's see if the S&P takes out these lows. If the S&P doesn't, then we still have an SMT right there. So, kind of right there. So in case you guys are looking for my stop loss right here, my stops is just at this high right here. And yep, we got stop to break even. I had to go aggressive. Like I said, whenever we see we have an SMT, just kind of go aggressive on your stop loss right there. So I ended up getting stopped out right there. Not a bad trade, not a bad trade at all. Not a bad trade. Where's my stops to break even? So this was where I got my stops was right here. So yeah, this was where my stop loss was at. Somewhere right here. Well, if I keeps pushing to the downside, it is what it is. But I'm okay with this. I don't believe price is going to keep on pushing to the downside. But if it wants to do that, then it is what it is. As you can see here, we've also tapped into this bearish value gap here. And it's okay by me. But like I said, when I see it as an SMT, I would really like to go aggressive on my stop losses. Right? Because right now, buyers are also in this trade. Why might you say buyers in this trade? Why I would say buyers in this trade, because as you can see here, we have an S&P. Like this is even our setup. We have a bullish S&P here. We now have a bearish. Sorry, we now have a fair value gap here that already got inversed. So ideally, this is a good trade to enter longs, right? But like I said, price can still go down, price can still go up, but it is what it is. I'm out of that trade, and as you can see here, that's why you always have to go really aggressive on your stop losses, especially when we see an S&T, right? Yeah, you see what I mean, right? So this is actually a good long trade right here. But I would like to enter any other trade. I'm done for the day. We made a little bit of good profits today. Yeah, we made good profits today. And yeah, that was basically it. We just had a 1-2. I don't really know what. Let me see how much we got into. Yeah, less than a 1-1 actually. Way less than a 1-1. But yo, it is what it is. I'm okay with my profits today. It is what it is. And yeah, so that will be basically it for today. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.